Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Videomas. Sorry y'all, I had a moment. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a candle haul. I feel like SpongeBob when he's like, what do you say? I have an idea. I love SpongeBob, by the way. That's one thing you should know me. I love SpongeBob. Okay, so I think I just want to go ahead and get started with this video just because it's pretty late and I gotta go to work tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get started. This video is going to be a mix of candles that I already had and then the ones that I've had bought during the candle day sale, which was pretty chaotic. Like, I saw a post where some lady bought $1,000 worth of candles. Like, that's like 90 or 95 candles. Like, what are you doing with all those candles? I really hope you're giving them some away for gifts, because, or you just done shopping for candles for like a long ass time, because ain't no way, like, what you gonna do with 90 candles? So just to get more information about me as a candle person, I love warm scents. Like, warm scents are my thing. I don't like anything else other than fresh linen when it comes to my Febreze plugins. Like, it's the only thing I would do different than warm scents. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the candles that we have here. So I have the butter rum eggnog. Oh my gosh. I didn't think this was gonna smell good. I don't know why. I like eggnog, but I didn't think, like, what does like eggnog smell with butter rum? But it's actually really smelly and tasty. Well, like a tasty smelly. I don't know. It smells good. So it's spiced eggnog, vanilla bourbon, rich buttercream, and shaved nutmeg. Like, that just gets me excited because that just sounds like a nice slice of cake. And I don't even like cake, but that sounds like a bomb ass cake. And then I have sugared snickerdoodle. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And the fragrance notes: warm spices, creamy vanilla, and sugared musk. Like, I love warm scents. And this, like, I don't know, like, it's just something about warm scents when, like, you're lighting that candle and it's in your house and you're just, like, sitting there. I honestly feel warmer. Like, even if it's cold, like, I feel warm. I don't know if that's just me, but I feel warm. The next candle we have is the spiced gingerbread candle. This smells exactly what it says. Like, the name of it is exactly how it smells. Like, a spiced gingerbread. It's strong, okay? And basically what's in this candle is vanilla icing, cinnamon sugar, and fresh ground nutmeg. So I lit this candle today and it smelled really good in the house, but I don't understand why it's looking like this. Like, I don't know, that doesn't look too well. I don't like that. I like presentation. Presentation is everything. I don't want nothing janky. Like, I just don't want nothing janky. We have marshmallow fireside. I, like, at first, like, I would smell this candle and I'd be like, okay, I'm not getting this candle. But, like, it actually has a nice scent to it. Like, it has like a smoky kind of scent and also sweet. And this candle has cedarwood, Palo Santo essential oils with notes of toasted marshmallow and vanilla. Okay, so I know that. Burns approximately 25 to 45 hours. I guess that's good. Hopefully that's good, because these candles are expensive if they're not on sale. And I don't ever buy these candles if they're not on sale. Okay. So one of my favorite candles is the spiced apple toddy. Like, this candle smells so good. I can't even explain it. Like, it smells like a red apple. Like, if you were to do, I don't know, something with a red apple, like maybe cook it or something, it just smells like a red apple. And it's made with cinnamon and clove essential oils and notes of apple brandy. I love this candle. Like, this, I love this candle. I don't know, and I just love the packaging on this candle. Like, look at it, it's so cute with the little bears and this red, like this candy apple red. I just My boyfriend actually picked out this candle. I really don't care for mint chocolate. Like, I don't like mint chocolate, anything. I just don't think mint and chocolate is supposed to go together at all whatsoever. Let's smell it. So it actually smells like mint chocolate, but I don't think it would smell bad, like burned. Like, I think it could be pretty nice in the house. It has sweet peppermint, creamy vanilla bean, decadent chocolate, and handmade marshmallow. So I don't know, we'll see once we light it. That may be the last candle that we light. Because I don't know. This candle right here is one of my favorite, like my top 5 favorite candles. Like, I've bought this candle multiple times. Like, this is probably like maybe my 3rd or 4th candle this scent. Like, it is cinnamon spice vanilla, but it has fresh ground cinnamon, sugar crystals, Tahitian vanilla bean with essential oils. And it just smells like, vanilla bean ice cream with a hint of cinnamon. That's what it smells like to me. So I like that it smells very warm. It keeps you warm in the house. Like, I don't know, it just makes me want to cuddle and get some hot chocolate. And right now I'm like really like, I don't know, holiday season, I always want to watch The Grinch all the time. So just have my candles lit and watching The Grinch and my hot cocoa. And speaking of hot cocoa, oh my gosh, this candle right here, I have a hot cocoa cream candle. And this has decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, and mini marshmallows. Now, I can admit I was a little disappointed with this candle just because I really thought this candle was going to have a little more oomph to it. First of all, it took too long for the candle to, like, for its smell to really come out. Because when you open the canister and you smell it, like, it smells like hot chocolate. But when you burn the candle, you don't really smell the hot chocolate. And then, like, maybe after maybe an hour of burning it, it smelled like burnt hot chocolate. It didn't smell that great. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna keep it. Maybe the second time I light it, it'll smell a little bit better. I don't know. Hopefully so. I have hope. This candle right here was actually a gift to me when I first moved into the apartment that I live in now. My friend Kayla gave it to me. Shout out to Kayla. She knows I love candles. This is lavender vanilla. And this has lavender blossom, creamy vanilla, sugared musk with essential oils. And basically it's really like how it is, like what it says. It has a lavender smell with just like a hint of sweet vanilla in it. So it's not, the lavender is not overpowering and the vanilla is not overpowering in your home. It's just a nice, you know, little smell in your house. It's not too much going on. The next candle we have here is the red velvet cupcake. Now I saw this candle, I picked this up during the candle day fiasco. I saw this candle, I was like, okay, I have to get this candle. I don't even like red velvet. I know, right? I'm not even human. But I do not like red velvet, but this smells so good. It smells like red velvet cake with buttercream frosting. Like, it smells literally how, like, what the name is. It smells like red velvet cupcake. And this has lush red velvet cake, cream cheese frosting, and sweet vanilla. So I hit it right on the nose. Okay, I just feel like I like this like during like maybe around Christmas or something to give it that scent. I picked this up during like the fall sale. As you can tell, it's used well, so it has a great scent. And as soon as you light this candle, it, like, you can smell it instantly. Like, it has maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. And literally, it's a very strong scent. Like, this covers your whole entire house. Like, I light it in my room, I can smell it all the way in my living room. So that's a very strong scent. So if you like strong scents, that would be the candle for you. I have this candle, I've had this candle for a minute. I don't like using up all my candles all at once. So I like to light them and then put them away and just like, okay, I miss this candle, let me bring it back. So this is a lavender marshmallow. It kind of smells something similar to the lavender vanilla candle that I have. This has It says the merging of 2 unexpected flavors, lavender and marshmallow, make this mouth-watering blend a special treat. So this is a really nice candle. I like this smell. I like it at the same time with the lavender vanilla just because they kind of smell similar and I don't want too many different smells going on if I would like want a stronger scent in the house. So I really like this candle. One of my top 5 is this almond candle. I don't even know if they still sell this. I love this. Like, it's the perfect scent. Like, it's not too strong. It's very warm. Like, it makes you feel really cozy, and that's why I really like this candle. Like, I love the packaging of this candle. I love the fact that it's black. This is a really nice candle. I love this packaging. A candle that's in a similar packaging that I really like is the pumpkin vanilla. I love this candle. This has spiced pumpkin, sweet vanilla cream, cinnamon sugar with essential oils, and I love this candle. I like this candle all the time, but I really had to put it away because when I went back to see if they had another one, they didn't have it. So I'm just like, now I have to wait all the way next year to find this candle. So like, I'm low-key a hoarder, so I like keeping stuff until like I can find something similar to it. So I love this candle right here. It's one of my top 5. And what was in here? The almond. It just says made with almond and sandalwood essential oils. So this smells so good. So last but not least, the last candle I have in my haul would be the stress-free aromatherapy candle. This candle, I wasn't expecting me to like it as much as I do, but literally it smells so clean, so fresh, like, and honestly, I guess that's why it's considered stress-free, because it has eucalyptus and spearmint. Now, I don't know, I just love this candle. Like, it smells like so fresh. I'm telling you, like, I don't like anything other than warm scents or fresh scents. Like, this candle, I'm not even using it for stress-free purposes. Like, I just like it because it smells clean. And let's see, it has the eucalyptus oil clears the mind, and the spearmint oil is supposed to soothe and uplift you. So I guess that's a win-win when you have a clean smell and you got all the benefits that come with it. I don't know, aromatherapy, I just feel like it's a mind over matter thing. Like, I guess if you believe that it does it, then I feel like it'll start doing it for you. Okay, so that is my candle haul. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. Actually, talking with I Love Sahari on Instagram, talking to her about her candles, and I was just like, oh my god, she's one of my favorites. And I was talking to her about candles, and then I was like, she did a candle haul video, so that inspired me to do my candle haul video today. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you participated in the candle haul for Bath & Body Works, or if you're just a candle lover, go ahead and just comment down below and start a little chat between me and you, or just a whole group of people. We can all have a chat. Go ahead and like this video, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.